In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear all formatting in a given text as you start your working on it. So assuming I have this text that I have selected, and maybe I have inserted a coloration, change it to red. I can have inserted a background color to this, and I've bolded it. Okay, so let's say I'm going to bold this. I'm going to bold this, and we can italize as well, and probably we've changed the font style and so on. So for example, we've changed the font style, we've added so many things, and at any given point, if you want to clear the stand the the style on this, you can just select it, and you can come to the top. You can see clear all formatting. Okay, if you want to clear all the formatting, you can just click, and this is now going to go back to the way it was. Okay, so all the formatting that you have added is going to go to where the way it was, except the one that it doesn't clear is the background color. So we can say no color to this, and you can see right now it is back to where it was, except for the background color. You can select, and of course you can see no color, and everything is back to where it was. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.